This is Mandar Marathe from Copper, and in this video I am going to talk to you about why do you actually need an insurance policy, right? Many people don't insure themselves and they think that they don't need insurance or they don't have sufficient insurance coverage, right? Now if you would want to pause this video here and answer these two questions, right? Are you certain that you would not face any type of financial risk in the future? That is first question. And second question is, do you have sufficient funds at your disposal to meet any sort of financial loss that you might suffer, right? Just pause and answer these two questions. Do you have sufficient funds and would you not face any financial risk? I'm sure the answer to one of these two questions would definitely be a resounding no, right? If the answer to both the questions is yes, which means you have sufficient money, you don't think there will be any financial risks that you will suffer, then you don't need insurance. But like most cases, that is, I mean, not true, right? So you definitely need insurance. Insurance policies now compensate you for any sort of financial risk that you might face in the future, right? So this promises you of compensating for any sort of financial loss, right? And it provides you and your family a sense of financial security, right? So when you buy insurance, you can be rest assured that, in case of any emergency, in case of any contingency, right, there would not be a financial strain on you or your family, right? You don't have to pay out of pocket for certain expenses. For example, let's say in the current situation, right, where we are facing a pandemic, right, let's say you're hospitalized. So if you don't have a health insurance policy, then that might create a financial strain in terms of the daily medical bills that you have to foot out, right? So both life as well as health insurance policies, they offer income tax benefits, right? Which means that you can claim certain benefits under the Income Tax Act, and that helps you to reduce the amount of tax that you are paying, right? Now this claim of payments made towards health and life insurance policies is possible only in the old income tax slab, right? So there is a section we have on income tax. Please make sure that you understand the old income tax slab and how this is applicable there, right? So apart from financial security, apart from being compensated, having insurance is an additional benefit from a tax saving perspective, right? Just to summarize the three reasons why you need an insurance policy. Number one reason is it provides a sense of financial security for you and your family. Second, it helps you to compensate for any loss, right, in case of an emergency or an unforeseen situation, right? And third, it provides you the necessary tax benefits to reduce your tax burden while you're filing your income tax, right? So do let us know in the comments if you have either a health insurance, life insurance policy, and if you have claimed tax benefits because of such an insurance policy, right? Have a good day.